It's Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day wherever you are. Great day, evening, night, whatever. Hello. Today we are going to be unboxing a brand new box to my channel called The Play by Sephora. I'm trying to cover my address there. Don't know if I succeeded or not. Doesn't really matter. I don't care. Anyway, it's Play by Sephora that we are unboxing today for the month of July. I don't know what's in this box. I don't follow spoilers on it. I just got the box, so I thought it was something new. I'm still in my work clothes because I worked an early shift today. I went in at 6 o'clock this morning. I got off at 2 o'clock this afternoon, came home, took a much-needed nap. I'm going to unbox this video. I'm going to go take a much-needed shower, eat dinner, and relax the rest of the evening until tomorrow when I go back to work, but I don't have to be there till 2 tomorrow, so, yeah. Okay, moving into this box, if I can get into the box. Okay, y'all saw me cut the box. My trusty little box cutter is not really letting me in this box, so hold on. Again, Play by Sephora is a brand new subscription to my channel. Play by Sephora is from Sephora, where it's $10 a month. So, this is, like I said, a new box. This is new to me, like it is to y'all, so. I got a Play by Sephora 50 insider points. Use code PlayIsland online. I don't know if this can only be used online or in the store as well, because I love shopping Sephora. I love to shop at Sephora. Okay, and this is really cute. It's called Isle of Beauty. And on the back it shows everything that I got, which I'll show y'all in a minute. I'm going to show y'all one at a time what everything is. But this is a little thing that came with it. And those are my beauty points, which I'm guessing this is something I have to use online. I'd have to do a little bit more investigating because I'm not really sure. Use this card online or bring it in store and ask a beauty advisor about more treasures you should try. Okay, cool. I have to have a minimum purchase of $20. Well, that's not a problem because I always spend well over 20 bucks at Sephora. I usually spend a couple hundred, so that's pretty cool. That would easily be used, needless to say. So I'm going to set this over here with the other little gift cards that I've got over the past couple videos. And we'll go from there. Yeah, so I'll put that over there. And again, if you didn't know, Sephora, just knocked, okay, is a $10 a month subscription from Sephora where you get stuff from Sephora. They are samples. I don't know if they are full size. I don't remember what I read. But regardless, I've been wanting to get Sephora Play for a while. I know they used to have these really cute little bags that are like satin and all. Well, now they're just like little plastic bags. But that's cool though because these are recyclable and we can save the planet better that way. So yeah. And another thing, if you're new, thanks for stopping in. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Be sure you hit like and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, I'd really appreciate it, guys. Okay, let's get into this little goodie bag of sorts and see what's in it. It looks pretty slam-packed with stuff. I like that. Pardon me, my nose is running. The first thing I have here is it's called Bite. Bite. It's by Bite Beauty shade Glaze. Not glaze, but glaze. Glace. Ooh, that's pretty. Can y'all see that color? I'll swatch it in a moment so y'all can see it. That is gorgeous. Let's put it on my hand here and see how that looks. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful look that can be used millions different ways. A beautiful lipstick. I like that. That is really, really pretty. I'm going to put that over here with the rest of my trillion lipsticks, but I like it. Now look on the back of this and see what it says. Glace. Okay, it is by Bite Beauty. Long wear, water resistant, high pigment. This dusty mauve lip color is a treasure. Definitely won't want to bury. It does not say the price or anything, and on the back it's got, well, there you go. Well, it's in the box, or in the bag, rather. Next thing I see is the Caudalie Paris Vino Pure. It is a skin perfecting serum. It is a 10 ml. That's not bad. That's pretty good size. I love skincare products. So it says do avoid eye contour. So you don't want to go around your eye sockets or anything like that. There's only so much room in that survival kit. So pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the looks of pores and zaps blemishes. Excuse me. I'll give it a try. Let's see what it's got here. There's a seal. No safety seal. It smells fresh and clean. I like that. Pardon me, guys. My allergies are kicking up again. Ah, damn weather. The next thing I'm seeing is from Clinique. I love Clinique. This is Clinique's Take Off the Day Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Feel calm, cool, and collected knowing this liquid remover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup. That is a small one, but you know what? That's not bad. It's a fluid ounce. That's not a bad size. Considering it doesn't take a lot to take off your makeup. Really, it doesn't. You don't need a whole lot of stuff. I personally take off my makeup with baby wipes, but hey. I like to smell things when weird, but it doesn't smell bad. Got a decent smell to it. So there's the Clinique. And Clinique is very expensive. So I like that. We're going to move on to the next thing in here. It is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. It is the Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. Hair and Scalp Shampoo. Okay. This is probably one use for as much hair as I have. But I could probably break it down to 2 or 3, actually. If I no safety seal. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. It's gray. It's like gray colored, yeah. When you want to keep your hair cleaner for longer, I always use this non-stripping shampoo that removes buildup from product pollution and hard water. And I happen to like Living Proof products. So I will definitely give that a shot. There's 2 more things in here. We're just going to keep on going. The next thing is Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. Okay. Dr. Dennis Gross. That just sounds weird. I'm going to put Dr. Dennis Gross on my face. Whatever, though. Let's see what it is. It's not coming out. It is a ferulic retinol triple correction eye serum. Seriously outstanding serum alert. When a treatment can visibly firm the skin around your eyes and reduce the look of wrinkles, you know it's a gem. I don't have any wrinkles around my eyes, as you guys can see. Sunspots, yes. And it's not coming out. It has plenty of stuff in it I can see. It's just not coming out. Am I not? Nope, it's not coming out. Okay, well, I'm not going to worry about it right now. Anyway, that's the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. I know nothing about Dr. Dennis. I personally have started using Drunk Elephant to do my face and wash my face. I love Drunk Elephant. It is a new thing that I was told about earlier this year, I think, or last year, I don't know, by Dana Tweedy, and ever since I've been using Drunk Elephant, and I love it. Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. This is actually a perfume. And it is called, it's the bonus item. Juliet Has a Gun. The scent is the epitome of a minimalist. It's just one note. That's really all it needs. It's woody and earthy. Top and only note is Cetilox. I like the way Juliet Has a Gun smells, personally. I think it smells really well. Yeah, I like it. It's a very clean scent, and I do like the way Juliet Has a Gun smells. So I'm going to stick that in here with all my other little samples. I got all kinds of little samples from different things, from buying at Ulta and whatever else. I mean, I've got all kinds of little samples of perfumes, and I don't use them all, trust me. But that is what I got. So to sum it all up, we're going to see what I got in this again. We got the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume, which it is a perfume. The Caudalie Paris Skin Perfecting Serum. The Clinique Take Off the Day Makeup Remover. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo in 30 milliliters, which is a lot. And the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic and Retinol Triple Correction Eye Serum. Again, I can't get it to pump out. I don't know. I don't know if it's me or what, but I just can't get it to work. But for $10, I think the little bag was pretty good. What do y'all think? Y'all tell me down in the comments what y'all think. I think it's pretty good. Personally, I'm going to try to open it and see what the hell's going on. Maybe it's... Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get it open, I don't think. I don't know, but I don't want to sit here pumping it forever trying to get this stupid thing open, so I'm just going to give up now. But anyway, guys, that is what I got in my Sephora Play. I'm still waiting for my Mint Mongoose Black to arrive. I don't know where it's at. I got an email the other day that it was on its way, either Friday or Saturday of last week. or this past weekend. So I guess I'm assuming it should probably be here by tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. I don't know where it's at or what's holding it. Usually by the time I get the email, I have it like at my doorstep a day or two later, and it's not here. But because Sunday was Sunday, I'm sure that's probably where. Excuse me, it kind of got backed up. I am still going to do the redo of my glossy box since I so horribly screwed that video up by filming it and then beautifully erasing it. But there is my glossy box. As you can see, I took everything out of it, so naturally I have to redo it. It's not pretty and packaged anymore. So yeah, I'm going to have to redo it as soon as I remember everything that's in it because I don't remember. I'm such a horrible person. Oh, yeah, no, I remember now what all's in it. Okay. Yeah. I'll probably try to do this video later tonight. If not, I'll do it later this week. But it will get done, and I will post it. It's just that I work the rest of the week. What days, I don't know yet. It kind of varies. Today I was supposed to go in at 2 and get off at 10 o'clock tonight. I ended up going in at 6 in the morning and getting off at 2 in the afternoon. I'm not hating. I'm not mad. It's whatever. So, anyway. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry. And one last thing before I forget, because I'm getting way too turned around. I got the Bite lipstick from Sephora. So all in all, I think even though they're just samples, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. I actually really like the samples really well. I really do. And now that I'm looking, here's my other Juliet has a gun. And you can see it's been well loved. This one's called Sunny Side Up. The one I just got from Sephora Place is called Not a Perfume. But that's just their quirky names, but it smells really good to me. Everybody has their own special liking to everything, but I like that one. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go. I've got to go take a shower. I got to go eat supper, eat dinner, and all that good stuff. So thank you again for tuning in. Be sure you leave a thumbs up. Give this video a like. And if you're new again, please hit subscribe and join the Cuban Beauty Familia. I need all the beauties I can get. Alright, guys, remember, 800 subscriber giveaway. I reach 800 subscribers. Somebody's getting the coveted Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, which let me tell you, that palette is gorgeous. So keep in touch. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know who wants in that video, who wants in on that giveaway. I've asked numerous times if you want to be in the giveaway to use the word me in the comments down below. Regardless, I'm going to use Gleam to try to pick somebody because I don't want to pick it out of, just random names. I want it to pick it for me, but I still need to know which one of you wants in that giveaway so I can start getting this going. We're at 713 subscribers. Come on, guys. I got to get to 800. Tell everybody you know. Without further ado, I'm going to go because, like I said, I'm hungry. It's time for supper. It is 5 o'clock. Got off at 2, came home, took a nap. As you can well tell, my hair is still up in a bun. It's a mess. But anyway, I'll talk to you loves later. Hope you enjoyed the video. See y'all later. Bye. Besos.